Hi guys, I'm Carl. I'm the founder of Truesons Beard and Hair Dye Foam. It comes in this beautiful bottle. And I'm here today to take you through a short demo showing you how easy it is to use Truesons. Just as background, I started Truesons because I'm a user, I use dye, and I hated everything about drugstore dyes, especially how hard it was to use and how difficult. And so that's why I invented Truesons. So the foam is amazing, it has a lot of benefits, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, and there's no mixing involved. Truesons comes in this amazingly cute reusable bag, and it comes with everything that you need to dye, including these reusable gloves. The gloves are important so that you don't stain your hands while you're using it. It comes with a comb, comes with some wipes in case you do have any staining, comes with an instruction booklet. So everything you need in this reusable bag. The first thing to do when you get your Truesons in the mail is to check underneath and make sure that you have the right shade. So I use dark brown. Sometimes I use brown black, but today I'm going to use dark brown, and that's a good shade for me. It's subtle, and the goal of Truesons is to have subtle results. The first thing after you've checked, make sure you have the right shade, is to shake up the bottle. You just want to shake it up a little bit, enough to mix the chemicals. You remove the cap, and then you want to basically hold the can at a 45-degree angle and express about a golf ball size of foam into the palm of your hand. That's about right size to start off with. So in my case, I'm only doing my beard. I will take the foam liberally and start applying it to the beard. The goal here is to make sure that the foam stays on thick. Think about icing on a cake, all right? You want to use a lot and cover all the areas of your exposed beard, making sure you don't get it onto the exposed skin. If you do get it on your face, you can just wipe it off with a napkin. And you use, with the comb, sometimes you can use it with your hair to help work it in, or in my case, I use it to get it on the mustache, and again, make sure that I'm just getting it onto the parts of the beard where I want to dye. Now, once you've applied it completely, that's when you want to start your timer. And most guys, we recommend that they basically use it for 12 to 15 minutes for the first application. I reapply about every 7 to 10 days. Subsequent applications, you might be able to use it for only 5 minutes, 8 minutes, because you already have some dye in your hair or your beard. Each person is different. So you're going to have to figure out for yourself kind of what the right amount is. The dye will start to turn dark. That lets you know that it is working. Remember when it first came out, it was white, and as it's interacting with oxygen and it's working to dye the hair follicles, it's going to turn a darker color. Don't worry, your resulting hair won't be as dark as when you have the dye on you, okay? But you want to pay attention and see how dark it goes. If you're nervous, at some point you can always wash it off and then you can reapply. Normally, I just jump in the shower. I find that's the easiest and quickest way to get the dye out. But today I'm going to wash it in the sink, and the goal here is to just remove it with water, not to use any shampoo or any soap, and remove the water until it runs clear. You can look and you can see the water running down your beard as you're washing it out, and once it runs clear, you know that you've gotten most of the dye out. All right, so once you're done rinsing the dye off of your beard or your hair, you want to use a dark colored towel just so that you don't stain. And the next thing you want to do is take a look and make sure that you don't have any staining on exposed skin. Sometimes that can happen just going on the edges. So we provide these cool, specially designed wipes. They're specially formulated to remove dye from skin. And you just basically use them to remove any dye that you might see on exposed skin. And now, voila, you can see a big difference from where we started. That means that the dye has worked pretty well on me, and I'm very happy with the results. It's very easy to use, it's easy to apply, it's easy to touch up with the multi-use bottle in case you have some areas that go a little bit gray sooner. If you have any questions at all, email support@truesons.com. We're there to help you on the journey. We know it's hard and can be scary, We're here to help you pick a shade. We're here to help you figure out how often to dye. Any questions you have, support@truesons.com. We're here to help. Thank you for dyeing with us today. On behalf of the entire True Sons team, have a wonderful day. I'm Carl with truesons.com.